Hello, this is Miss Stratton and I am doing a how-to video on Flipgrid. I am in my website right now under today's assignments and, oops, gonna make it reload again. And I see that there's a Flipgrid say hello and I'm gonna follow that link. It's gonna pop up here with this question, enter your student username or scan QR code. I will give you those. And for right now, I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to copy this, go Control C, Control V, go. And I am in the activity. From here, you can hear the instructions said. We'll read the instructions. And listen to the instructions. For this activity, I was just wanting to say hello and hear everyone say hello. So you can go respond here. You can also see your responses and respond. It will tell you you have 1 minute and 30 seconds. Not every Flipgrid will be the same. Sometimes they'll be longer, sometimes they'll be shorter, but it'll tell you about how long. So once you're ready, you can press record. Awesome, and I love the countdown for it. And then up here it shows you how long it's going, and you can add frame to it. Want to add a frame? Very nice. You can add emojis, stick them there, move them around. You can do it over your face. I believe if you double click it, you can make it bigger. Maybe it's not working on my mouse pad. We can do that. There's a bunch of different effects, and there's even a whiteboard. So if I'm saying, ooh, tell me about what two numbers you like to make 10 out of. So you can go pick the drawing. Okay, I like doing 5 plus 5. Equals 10. I like 5 plus 5 because this is a double stacked, stuff like that. So there's a bunch of different things you can play with, and what's really nice, and stop this, is you can redo it. So if you're like, I didn't like it, my 0 over here is kind of wonky, I'm going to redo my video. Say sure. I love that. So it keeps this and then you can record. Like, hello, my favorite addition fact to get to 10 is 5 plus 5. You can do it like that. And once you are happy with it, you go next. Woo. Very loud. And then it will ask you for a selfie after. So you can just take the selfie. Oops. Redo selfie and smile. Next, uploading the video. I like that border. And then your display name. Please do your first name and last initial unless you want to do your first name and last name. That would be wonderful. And you can title it and then press submit. I'm not going to do submit right now, but you can do that for submit. So thank you. I hope this video is helpful.